Do you know what's inside a black hole? A cosmic mystery explained. Black holes, the most mysterious objects in the universe. They swallow everything, even light itself. But have you ever wondered, what's inside a black hole? 1. The event horizon, the point of no return. The edge of a black hole is called the event horizon. Once something crosses this invisible boundary, it can never escape, not even light. 2. Spaghettification, the ultimate stretch. As you fall in, the gravity is so intense that it stretches you like spaghetti. Scientists call this spaghettification. Pretty terrifying, right? 3. The singularity, where physics breaks down. At the heart of a black hole is the singularity, a point where gravity is infinite, and the laws of physics stop making sense. Some scientists believe it could lead to another universe. 4. Could black holes be wormholes? Some theories suggest that black holes might be wormholes, shortcuts to other parts of the universe, or even other realities. But for now, this remains a cosmic mystery. So, what's really inside a black hole? Science is still searching for answers, but one thing is certain, once you go in, you never come out. What do you think lies inside a black hole? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious about the universe.